I'm Henry from BrainStormAcres, and this was not in the plans today. Let me explain. We've been working on these straw bales for several weeks. The straw bales were a kind of gift that we got on a discount last fall. I'd only planned to use them for insulation against the greenhouse this past winter and then compost them starting this summer. But CB from CB's Greenhouse and Garden convinced me that I should try straw bale gardening, which is a great idea. And as a result of that, we started a collaboration with a number of other YouTube channels. I'll put a link to all of them in the description down below. Now, these bales have softened up. They're ready to go. And the plants that are going to go in them are ready to go. So why haven't we planted? Well, the answer is really pretty simple. Because it's going to freeze in the next few days. Well, at least that's what the weather forecast says. I'm not sure if I believe it, but I have to. To complicate things, we're going out of town in a couple of days for Irene's business. Now these bales are really ready to go. They've softened up nicely. It's easy to feel down in the straw. It's a very nice kind of composty feeling, or at least the initial stages of compost. We have all of the irrigation set up for it. It's been working now for more than a week, but we've been holding off because we keep on getting forecasts of really cold weather. Well, unfortunately now that's coming together with our need to be out of town. I'll take you on a little trip and you can see some of our tomatoes and peppers. But we're not going to be able to plant these plants until we get back from that event. We're here in the greenhouse. Tomatoes are ready to go into those straw bales. They've been ready for a while. But if I put them out today or tomorrow, they'll freeze. Or at least that's what the weather forecast says. So we're going to have them hang out here in the greenhouse for another week. Our pepper starts really concern us because they're pretty susceptible to cold weather. But hopefully they'll survive here in the greenhouse. The bok choy looks great. I just wish we could go ahead and plant it out. I'll talk to Irene when she gets back from her appointment to see what she thinks. And these special varieties of tomatoes are looking really, really great. We really want to be careful with these because we have a limited number of seeds. And in general, these plants aren't readily available, at least in our area. Most of our plants have survived the thrips quite well. I am a little concerned about the amount of sun that we'll be getting in here while we're gone. So I think probably what we'll do is move the shade cloth over the top of this end of the greenhouse. That will also help control the heat. This is definitely not the way that we wanted it to go this year. Normally, temperatures are perfectly fine and we can go to our event without any concerns, but not this year. Everything's gone kind of wacky. Stay tuned for the rest of what happens with all of these starts. Thanks for watching.